Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So, continue tayo with problem number 3. Ayan. So, for problem number 3, we have e sine 4x. I think obvious to, no? We'll be using substitution for this one. Cosine 4x dx. Dx. Okay? So, obviously, we will set u equal to sine 4x kasi ang derivative ng sine 4x is cosine 4x. Okay? So, I hope okay tayo na, ha? Sige, so let u be equal to sine 4x. Then, the derivative du, okay, should be equal to cosine, di ba? Derivative of sine x is cosine x positive. Tama, positive ata. So, positive cosine x, pero this is 4x man. So, since 4x yan, ano yung derivative ng 4x? We also need to multiply this one with the derivative of the yung bang term inside the triangle function. Derivative of 4x is 4. And then multiply na natin by dx. Okay, so I hope okay tayo dito, ha? Sige, let's proceed with the substitution. Before pala tayo mag-proceed sa substitution, notice kailangan natin ng 4 dito, no? So I will multiply this one by 4 para maging du, but I will also need to neutralize it with 1/4 so that basically we just multiplied the function with 1. 4 over 4 is 1 man. So walang nangyari, the value did not change. Anyway, let's proceed with the substitution. So I'll change this one to u. This whole term will be changed to du. Okay. And then next, let's proceed with our, I think, diretso na, no? So we have our answer should be 1/4 times, again, integral of e to the power u is just e to the power u pa din. So e to the power u plus c. Now, in this case, we will substitute the original value of u in terms of x. So u is actually equal to sine 4x. Okay, and then that's it. That's our answer. Check na natin if we have the same dito sa answer key natin. Yep, same lang. Sige, same pa din. If you have any questions or clarifications, comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin.